Today you have come to Goa. The CM has made a statement last night saying that for the next 50 years the government, Congress will not be able to form the government and Rahul Gandhi will not be the PM. How do you look at it?
I think you should change his astrologer. No, I think we are already seeing in the first couple of days a very positive trend amongst the public. The public is increasingly disenchanted with the BJP government at the centre. And I'm expecting already in this election a bit of a shock for the BJP government. As I said yesterday, I don't think 400 par is even going to be repeated by them. 300 par is impossible. 200 par is looking challenging for them. And I think we will see how it all works out. At the moment, the campaigning is going very well across the country. And in the first two phases, all the indications from the turnout and the voting patterns are that the BJP is losing ground. So let's wait and see. I'll be seeing you all once I've time to campaign and go up with joke again. Thank you very much.